Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, dignitaries. May we have a very successful program today. Now, to start the inaugural session, I call upon Chief Executive IBA, Shri Sunil Mehtaji, to deliver his address to our audience. Thank you, sir, and over to you.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Deputy Chairman IBA, Shri Rajkiran Rai ji, our knowledge partner, Mr. Pratik Rungta ji, MD and partner BCG, HR heads of various banks, distinguished panelists, industry experts, delegates, representatives from print and media, and my dear fellow bankers. This indeed is a great pleasure to welcome you all to our third annual HR conclave. Over the last few years, the HR function in the banking has been disrupted by several technological advancements. While banks in India were well underway on the journey to upskill their employees on topics like digitalization and automation, they are now facing a huge challenge due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which is fundamentally challenging key HR practices around learning, teaming, skilling, culture, and training. Fortunately, banks have been quick to reform, perform, and transform in the new normal. The role of HR in this situation has become more holistic, as they have the responsibility of not only getting their employees to work remotely and support businesses' activities, but are also required to take care of the emotional well-being of their employees in this unprecedented situation. All this is happening in the midst of a massive shift towards digitalization. The banks are moving ahead by adopting to this new normal in their own ways. It is imperative for the banks to continue their journey towards accelerated digitalization and smart work using technology. You know, IMPS, which is the lower value transaction among individual account, has been made available on 24 hours basis for several years now. In December 19, RBI made available NEFT system on 24/7 basis, and it has been helping smoothly. To facilitate swift and seamless payment in real-time basis, the domestic business institution, RBI has decided to make available the RTGS system round the clock on all days from December instead of just during the daytime on working days. What I mean to say is that gradually bionic banks are being built, and that is clearly the future. These bionic banks will blend the best of both worlds, digital as well as physical. They will continue to combine digital technologies with human touch to deliver the right financial products and services to the customers. In the financial year 2020, we have seen merger of 10 PSU banks into 4. While this is being looked upon as a great step to increase the balance sheet size and synergy to improve the bank's performance, it comes with its own set of challenges. This again brings HR to the forefront, as they need to manage key issues such as addressing issues of employees during amalgamation, creating a level playing field for the employees of amalgamating banks, and leveraging amalgamation to build a robust organization. Today we have very interesting 3 panel discussions lined up, where we have MDs and CEOs of various bank, industry leaders, and HR experts who will share their best experiences and thoughts. The topics for panel discussions are preparing for a new paradigm in HR, organizing for rebound and resilience, building bionic bank, accelerating digitalization, and smart work using technology. Bank amalgamation, managing people, value, culture, and systems. Also, we have with us Mr. R. Ramkumar, founder and CEO, Leadership Center, and the former Chief Executive Director of ICICI Bank, who will share his views on people priorities for this and now new normal. There is a presentation from BCG and a keynote address by Mr. Krishnamurthy Shankar, Executive Vice President and Group Head of Human Resource Development, Infosys. I welcome all these dignitaries. I wish all the best to the delegates and participants. Please share the best practices among you. I wish once we go back to our own organization after this HR conclave, we spread the knowledge we shall be gaining in next 2 to 3 hours, and let's be the torch bearer of knowledge and learning in our own organization. The success of this HR conclave will mainly depend upon the way we are able to transform our organizations for becoming a banks of future, which can face the transition from a manual banking to a virtual banking. Wish you success of the today's event. Thank you all.
Thanks indeed, sir. So that was Shri Sunil Mehtaji, Chief Executive IBA, who delivered us a very strong message to all the member banks, all the friends in the community.